Hey there! Welcome to our channel, where we break down complex financial concepts into bite-sized, easy-to-digest pieces. Ever thought about dipping your toes into gold but don't want to store bars of it under your bed? Or maybe you're just curious about how to invest in gold without the hassle of physical storage? Well, I've got something shinier for you: gold ETFs. These are a fantastic way to get exposure to gold without the need for a safe or a security system. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll be a gold ETF whiz. Trust me, it's easier than you think. Oh, and don't forget to click the link in the description below for an awesome special offer. You won't want to miss it. So, what the heck is a gold ETF? Let's break it down. ETF stands for Exchange Traded Fund. It's like a mutual fund, but trades like a stock on an exchange. Imagine it like a box of chocolates. You get a variety of pieces, but in this case, it's different forms of gold investments. But instead of chocolates, it's filled with gold. And the best part? You don't have to worry about storage or security. You don't need a massive vault or a guard dog. Your investment is safely held by the fund. First, let's talk about why you'd want to invest in gold. It's not just shiny, it has real financial benefits. Gold is like that reliable friend who's always there when things get rough. It's a safe haven in turbulent times. When the stock market is throwing a tantrum, gold usually keeps its cool. It's a stabilizing force in your portfolio. It's a great way to hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty. When paper money loses value, gold often retains its worth. Now, how do you actually invest in a gold ETF? It's simpler than you might think. Step 1. Get yourself a brokerage account. This is your gateway to the world of investing. Think of it as your shopping cart. You'll need it to buy and hold your investments. There are tons of online brokers like Robinhood, E*Trade, or Fidelity. Each has its own perks and features. Pick one that suits you best. Consider factors like fees, user interface, and customer service. Step 2. Research your gold ETFs. This is crucial for making an informed decision. Not all gold ETFs are created equal. They have different strategies and holdings. Some hold physical gold, while others invest in gold mining companies. Know what you're getting into. Look at the expense ratios, which is just a fancy term for fees. Lower is better. This can significantly impact your returns over time. Popular options include Spider Gold Shares, GLD, and iShares Gold Trust, IAU. These are well known and widely traded. Step 3. Place your order. This is where the magic happens. Once you've picked your gold ETF, it's time to buy. Enter the number of shares you want and hit that buy button. You can purchase it just like you would a stock. It's that simple. Decide how many shares you want, hit that buy button, and voila! You're now a proud gold owner. Well, kinda. You own shares that represent gold. Step 4. Sit back and relax. Your investment is now working for you. Keep an eye on your investment, but don't stress too much. Regular monitoring is good, but avoid obsessing over daily fluctuations. Remember, gold is a long-term play. It's not about getting rich quick, but rather about steady, reliable growth. A quick tip: diversify. This helps manage risk. Don't put all your eggs, or in this case gold bars, in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes. Mix it up with other investments to balance out your portfolio. This way, you're not overly exposed to any single risk. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to invest in gold ETFs. Investing in gold ETFs is not only easier than stashing gold bars under your bed, but it's also smart and efficient. It's a modern way to invest in a timeless asset. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more tips. We're here to help you navigate the world of investing. And don't forget to click the link in the description below for a special offer. Happy investing! May your portfolio shine as bright as gold.